Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another amazing unboxing from FANSELLS. That is www.fansells.com. Now you guys know this is one amazing store. Their shipping is quick, their products are amazing. And above that all, they sell all kinds of things. They do our favorite cross stitch, the newest beaded cross stitch, the newest 9-count cross stitch. They do diamond paintings, paint by numbers. They even customize all that products. They sell mystery boxes. They do the sewing and crochet series, the jigsaw puzzles, wax seal stamps. They do, paper quilling, 3D string art. They do gifts as well, Christmas, Halloween, Easter and birthday gifts, music boxes, miniature dollhouses, even linen tote bags. Now that is a mouthful. That website is humongous. You can go and have a look. I promise you, you're gonna like something. They are super duper amazing. Now their customer service is great. I just love it. I've mentioned it. I love their customer service. Now, if you buy at FANSELLS and you want to save a little bit more, you use my discount code, which is Sanet, for extra 5% off. Remember, you can use one discount code at a time. They're also running the January New Year sale till the 31st. Also 5% off, and the code is 2025. And that is big savings. So you can use 2025 or my name Sanet. You'll get 5% off your card. Now, let's see what I got for you today. I'm very curious. I can't wait to open these because they are so smally. So they're very small. So we're going to do 3 Mona Lisas. 2 of them are small. You're looking at the picture. I don't want to take it out. I want to show you how it comes. It's very, very small. It's like A5 size that it comes. Alright, so let's have a look. So this is how it comes. Look how it's so sweet. Look at that. So it is 11 count, 35 by 50 centimeters. So let's have a look at this. Very, very curious. It's Mona Lisa brand, so it must be good. But let's see if it is. Alright, so you get your nice front page, nice picture, Mona Lisa brand, 11 count, 35 by 50 centimeters. Now let's have a look. Oh, mommy. It's miniature. It's so small. It's so cute. I love it. Let's see how many colors they put in this. 17 colors. Don't know about that one. There's not going to be a lot of detail, but let's see. Alright, so it's serged all the way around for our convenience. Now this, before we go, there's no pattern with it. It's just a small thing. There will be. It's a very easy stitch, not complicated. The tree will be there. There is not much shading, but it's going to come out. Look at that. So, I don't know. I haven't tried these before. They're very small and very, very easy. It is Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa don't sell stuff that's not worth it. So I think it will come out. Look how cute it is. That's just so cute, right? Look at that. Very, very cute, right? I think it's nice. Very easy stitch if you're a beginner. There's no confetti. It's only block stitching. You can stitch this up so quick. Very, very, very cute little stitch. 17 colors. I don't know. You guys know me and colors, but it is Mona Lisa. So we're gonna need to test this to see how it comes out. But look at the printing. It is excellent. You'll definitely see everything. So we must try this and see how it comes out. Very, very nice print, very nice everything. 17 colors do bug me a little bit, but because it's a brand, you know, when you open a Joy Sunday and it's got 17 to 25 colors, you know you're gonna get what you see. I just don't think it's gonna look exactly like this. but you're gonna see what you do because it's quite straightforward. I still think it's gonna look pretty. Actually, I do. Alright, so there is your little stitch. Let's see here. Now we've got 17 colors and they're pretty. Nothing wrong with this. There you go. It's the first time I've ever opened such a small Mona Lisa. I've never received one like this. I think it's cute. We're gonna have to test it to see how that how this colors look on it. This is the needles. They've got number 26 needles in here, and it looks nice. Stick and needle. It's like a brand needle. Look at that. Very nice needles they put in there. I think we should open it. What do you guys think? There's 2 needles in here, but we're gonna have to open it to see. And there's your 2 needles, and they are quality. 26s, and there they are. Very good quality. Absolutely amazing quality. I'm gonna stick them right back in here. Don't want to mix them with my other needles because they are nice needles. Alrighty then, so that is one down. That is new, very small. I thought I'm getting a big thing, but I'm willing to try it, but not now. So there's too many on the go at the moment. They're also not very expensive. This is perfect for a beginner, and I think it will come out nice. I just, you know, it doesn't matter small or big. I like more colors. Alright, so let's have a look. I think the other one will basically also be like that because it's mostly black. So let's see. You are looking at it. While you look at it, let me open it. It's also in a small packet. Alright. Okay, so let you see how I open these. Look at that. They like this. Let's have a look. So also a very pretty front page, pretty little cat, and it's a cat with the moon, Mona Lisa brand, 11 count, 28 by 38. Very small. I don't think they're gonna come out bad actually because they print it this way. Oh wow, this is very small. So let's have a look here. Also one card. So we're gonna have 24 colors. Yeah, it's gonna come out. Look how small this is. And you guys were asking for smaller stitches. 24 colors. Let me see how this looks. Right, the white's there, the nose, everything's here. We're gonna have to stitch one up quick, and we're gonna have to see. This one's not serged all the way around, but it looks good. All the details are there. 24 colors again. I like more colors, right? You guys know me with colors, but now we must listen because this is Mona Lisa. Lots of brands. The way of printing, it's like the cartoon style of printing. So we're gonna have to see, right? Okay, so the 24 colors, 1 to 16. And 17 to 24. Very cute little stitches indeed. And we got our 2 needles again, 24. I'm not opening these. They are very nice branded needles. Alright, so I think they're very cute. We're going to have to test the colors. It is new that they're bringing out these small pieces. It's actually very nice if you have a daughter or son or someone that wants to stitch something. This is perfect because it is very small. Very small indeed. Now I can show you, everyone knows what's a big pen. Okay, look how small it is. It is really the length of 2 big pens and the width of 1 1/3 big pen. Yeah, so it's small, very cute and very affordable. Alright, you guys know me and my colors. So we're gonna have to see if it works. And someone's gonna have to stitch this up at the moment. I can't, but we're gonna have to see. Very cute, very affordable, and it's a brand. Yes, exactly. So this must be tested before we can say yay or nay. A small stitch like this we can stitch up in a weekend. Like this one. Maybe we should do this. Maybe somewhere I must grab it and stitch it so we can see. What do you think? I think I should. Okay, so I've been packing away. You've been looking at that beauty. Now I want to ask, if it's the first time you're watching my channel, please hit that subscribe button. By doing that, you are helping me out. You motivate me to make more videos, and I do appreciate it very, very much. Now you've been looking at that beauty, right? Okay, so what do we have here? We've got a 9 count. 9 count is big, it's back, and it's beautiful. So it comes in a reusable plastic envelope with a press button in the back. Excuse me, I just want to open the door for my cat. There you go. Go. Because I closed the door so the small kittens can't go out. Alright. The front page is amazing. It's a Phoenix Mona Lisa brand 9 count 60 by 88 centimeters. Now this is pretty, right? Really, really pretty. So let's see what's going on now. Now we're talking. Look at that. I just want to get the pattern for us. Alright, so here's the pattern on an A4 page. And we're working full stitch, 43 colors. That sounds better, right? 43 colors, 9 counts. Let's put that in there. Now with that, we get a little bag with 5 needles. Ooh, lucky, lucky. 2 needle threaders and a little snipper. Nice, right? Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Whoa, look at this colors. Man, oh man, oh man. Now, it is serged all the way where it can be. It's not around. It's serged on all the sides. It's rough, so it doesn't fray. It's for our convenience. And then on this part, it's not stitched around because it is the end of the fabric. Now, this one is quite big, but look at that. Oh my soul. Look at that. It is fantastic. Like I said, 43 colors, no confetti. Look at that. It is gorgeous. Wow. Very beautiful. Like I said, 60 by 88 centimeters. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. The printing is phenomenal. Wow. Oh, this is fantastic. This is really pretty. Let me show you from close up. Look at the printing. That is clear. Nice, right? Very, very good. I absolutely adore it. Now, look at this. Oh, my stitchy soul. Now, Mona Lisa, I've been using this cards and I like it. They're very, very pretty. Look at this colors, my Stitchy family. Ooh, this colors. So this is 1, 2, 32. Beautiful, right? And then 33 to 41. Amazing. Look at that. Wow, these colors. Wow, they are amazing. Okay, so let's look again together. And they are fabulous. Absolutely gorgeous, right? Alright, so let me just, while I pack this away, I want to thank FANSELLS. These products are amazing. I want to test out that small ones to see what they do. I really, really love it. Thank you so, so much. And then to you, my viewer, my dear Stitchy family, thank you for always watching and supporting me. I really, really appreciate it with all my heart. Now remember to go and look at FANSELLS. They've got amazing products. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.